Alright, this is my soldering hood. I'm going to do an unsealed test. That means this thing around here is not quite sealed, but the fume extractor is extracting. I'm just going to melt some solder on the iron, make a bunch of smoke, so to demonstrate the fume extractor. Oh, come on, soldering iron. It's a little bit slow to heat up. Now I have it all the way at 900. Give it a second. There you go. You can see that smoke. And there, can't even smell the smoke here. It's all going right up into the filter. Right up there, if you can see that. Up to there. Right up into there. Alright, cool.